The Pick Day, the upcoming weekend, unfortunately did have to start to slowly ramp shower and storm chances up later in the weekend. So let's keep an eye on that idea as well.
All right, Tom, thanks so very much. Gas stations and travel are the next two industries that Amazon could disrupt, and air travel is getting more crowded. Jane King has these stories and so much more. It's today's Business Report.
There are $2 trillion markets that are great new business opportunities for Amazon. That's according to an analyst, D.A. Davidson. One is gas stations. It says Amazon could provide Prime subscriber discounts, expand its data collection on its customers, and add thousands of distribution stores for its products through gas stations. And travel could be another another industry where Amazon could sell consumers not only airline tickets and hotel rooms, but also everything they need for the trip. Delta and United set records for passenger traffic in July. Delta said it carried a whopping 18.3 million passengers last month. United carried 16 million. That was a record as well. Now, analysts say the growing economy and lower ticket prices have led to more air travel. Calorie counts help curb diners' appetites for less healthy options, but not by much. The good news, menu labels, including calorie information, were shown to reduce the amount that people ate. But the bad news, calorie counts on menus would, on average, cause a consumer to lose just 1 pound over 3 years. That's according to the National Bureau of Economic Research. And Kentucky Fried Chicken has lined up a new celebrity to play Colonel Sanders. You might recognize him from the 90s sitcom Seinfeld. The Yum Brands owned fried chicken chain named Jason Alexander for its latest colonel. He's best known for his role as George Costanza in Seinfeld. KFC has updated its Facebook page on Monday with pictures and commercials featuring him holding a tray with the 4 types of $20 fill-ups. Live from the NASDAQ market site in Times Square, I'm Jane King with your business update.
All right, Jane, thanks so much. Let's take a look and see how stocks are performing at this noon hour. Dow Jones Industrial on a healthy rally northward, up 169 points, sit right now at 25,670. NASDAQ Composite also ticking upward, up 26 points to sit right now at 78.85. Well, Ford Motor has a new solution that could help prevent wrong-way collisions in the future. According to Car and Driver, the automaker has a new driver-assisted feature called Wrong Way Alert. The technology will allow the vehicle to read do not enter signs and alert the driver. A display flashes a note for the driver to check driving direction to avoid danger. So far, the technology is only available in Austria, Germany, and Switzerland, but it could soon expand to more European markets. Still not clear whether the technology can work in the U.S. due to varied road signage. Older Americans are increasingly turning to bankruptcy to help alleviate their financial burdens. Reduced income, increased health care costs, and a lack of savings are all issues that are fueling the increase. According to new research from the Consumer Bankruptcy Project, those over the age of 65 are filing for bankruptcy at a rate 3 times more than 30 years ago. And those nearing retirement age are also filing for bankruptcy in larger numbers. The study points to a shift from financial risk from government entities and employers to individuals who may not have access to adequate resources. Well, it seems an update is needed in some households with asthmatic kids. Johns Hopkins doctors studied 300 caregivers of preschool-age children in the city of Baltimore. They found many did not have a good understanding of medication for kids with asthma and their needs. Fewer than half were prepared to give rescue medication to kids if and when it's needed. And another new study finds women are more likely to survive a heart attack if they're treated by a female physician. The analysis from Harvard University is based on outcomes of more than 500,000 heart attack patients in Florida since 1991. Death rates for female patients with male doctors were higher than those with female doctors. Heart disease can impact men and women differently, and experts suspect female doctors just might have a better understanding of how women react during a heart attack. Chris?
And Australian police